In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device. Now make sure that you're signed in to your Facebook account. There are several reasons why you don't have Marketplace anymore on your account. One of this would be your app might be outdated, which means it needs to be updated, or the Facebook Marketplace icon isn't pinned on your navigation bar. Now to pin this to your navigation bar, go ahead and head over to the menu section. And here, click on the settings button at the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll down and look for navigation bar. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it, and this will redirect you into a new page. Here, click on customize the bar, and this will redirect you into a new page where you can find all the shortcut bars for the navigation bar. Once you find the marketplace shortcut, click on the right and select pin to pin the marketplace shortcut to your navigation bar. After this, you'll be able to find the marketplace shortcut on your navigation bar. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.